Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by wearing your Apple Watch comfortably and charging it to at least 30–50% before bed. Open the Sleep app on the watch or the Health app on your iPhone and create a sleep schedule with bedtime and wake time. This is the first actionable configuration. Once done, enable sleep mode and wind down. Make sure health permissions are granted so the watch can record motion and heart rate. You'll get immediate baseline tracking each night after these steps, so don't delay. Next, refine how the watch measures sleep. On your iPhone, go to Health Sleep and toggle Track Sleep with Apple Watch so movement and heart rate are used. Then configure Sleep Focus and personalize wind down shortcuts to reduce screens and trigger relax cues. This improves data quality. Also verify wrist detection and motion calibration in watch settings because accurate movement sensing depends on them. Once these middle steps are complete, you'll see cleaner stage estimates and more consistent. Finally, review sleep summaries each morning inside the Health app to understand duration and heart rate trends. This is how you spot patterns and adjust habits. If nights aren't showing or sync is missing, restart both devices and check Bluetooth. Repair the watch if necessary. If the watch stays on its charger overnight and misses tracking, put it on briefly or use power reserve toggles, then re-enable tracking. One key tip: inconsistent wear or disabled wrist detection is the most common cause. Fixing that
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.